Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you if you can't update apps on iPhone after iOS 18.1 update. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is reboot your iPhone. For this you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with volume down button and press the power button. It will show a slider, so slide to power off and then wait for some time, and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is pause and resume the app update. On an iPhone home screen, firmly press the app icon to pause download, and then after a few seconds tap the app icon again to resume it and you are done. And the next step is check available storage on iPhone. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to general option, then choose iPhone storage. Wait until the page is loading. If your storage is full, then scroll down and see unnecessary apps. To delete unnecessary app, tap on it and then you can offload the app, or you can delete app, or you can delete unnecessary videos and photos from your iPhone to make some space, and you are done. And the next step is connect to Wi-Fi. For this, open the control center from the top right side and choose Wi-Fi and turn off your mobile data if it is on, and you are done. And the next step is set date and time automatically. You need to go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to general option. Scroll down here, choose date and time. Tap on set automatically if it is not already enabled, and you are done. And the next step is delete the app and reinstall it. For this, you just need to delete the app. You can cancel download. Next, go to App Store and search for the same app. Then you can reinstall it again from here and you are done. And the next step is turn off and on automatic updates. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to App Store. Tap on it. Scroll down, here you will see the option of app updates. Tap on its toggle button to disable it. Wait for some time, and after some time tap on its toggle button again to enable it, and you are done. The next step is make sure that screen time restrictions are off. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to screen time option, then scroll down and choose content and privacy restrictions, then choose iTunes and App Store purchases. Make sure installing app is set to allow, and you are done. The next step is sign out and into your Apple ID. For this, go to App Store and then tap on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. Hold down. Here you will see the option of sign out. Tap on it and sign out of your account, and you are done. And after some time, go back to App Store and sign in again. And the next step is reset network settings. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to general option. Scroll down to the bottom and choose transfer reset iPhone, then choose reset and choose reset network settings. It will ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset network settings on your iPhone, and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix can't update apps on your iPhone after iOS 18 update, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.